In this video, we will show you how to book tickets for Disneyland Paris. If you guys want to get started with the Disneyland website, you can use the links down in the description. First, open Google Chrome and search for Disneyland Paris. Next, scroll down and click the official Disneyland Paris link. Now, tap on the Tickets option. Then, scroll down and tap on Buy Now. After that, choose the number of days you want to visit. Next, select your visit date. Now, choose how many tickets you need. You can select up to 6 tickets. Then, tap on Confirm Selection. After that, tap on Continue. Now, tap on Create an account and enter your email address to proceed. Then, tap on Continue and verify your email address. Next, select your first and last name and choose a password. Now, enter your birth date and tap on Agree and Continue. Finally, fill in additional details like your contact information to complete the process. So, that's how to book tickets for Disneyland Paris. Make sure to use the links down in the descriptions to get started with the Disneyland website. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.